Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi listeners, welcome back to my video. And let me introduce again myself to you. My name is Rositan Rumayani. I am an English student education in State Islamic Institute of Tulungagung, and my class is in TPI 6B. Alright, in this video, I will not share you again about the kind of expression, but I will share you about analytical exposition text. This material is for students in 11th grade, and I made this video to fulfill my assignment in my internship. Moreover, I made this video to increase students' knowledge in analytical exposition text. So, what is analytical exposition text? The answer is in the next slide. In this slide, we will learn about the definition of analytical exposition text. So here, analytical exposition text is defined as a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding and includes argumentative text. The idea can be pro or contrast with the topic discussed. It's no problem, but the writer must give some argument or opinion that makes sense and can be understood by the readers. Moreover, it includes argumentative text because it shows an opinion or argument about something that need to be discussed. Then, we have the purpose of analytical exposition text. Of course, this text has a purpose so that this text has its own direction and framework. Because of the direction and framework, the contents of this text can be conveyed properly. In this slide, the purpose of analytical exposition text is to convince the readers that the topic presented is an important topic by way of providing arguments or opinions that support the main idea or topic. So, it likes persuade the readers about the idea that given by the writer. Alright, let's move to the next slide. In this slide, we have the social function of analytical exposition text. Here, the social function is to make sure the readers that the topic presented is an important topic to be discussed or get attention. To make sure the readers, the writer persuades the readers that the idea is important matter, and it also includes some analysis about idea by developing some arguments and facts to support it, so that the readers can agree with the writer. Then, we go to the next slide. In this slide, we will learn about the language feature of analytical exposition text. Here, there are 6 of language features that must be known. The first one is using relational process. It means in every paragraph of analytical exposition text should be relational for each other. The first paragraph must strengthen the second paragraph. The second paragraph must strengthen the third paragraph, and etc. Next, the second one is using compound and complex sentence. Commonly, an analytical exposition text uses them. The characteristic of compound sentence has at least 2 independent clauses that joined by coordinating conjunction or semicolon, while the characteristic of complex sentence is it contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Then, the third one is use word that link argument. It means that analytical exposition text use words such as firstly, secondly, and reasoning through causal conjunction such as in addition, furthermore, however, and therefore. Next, the fourth one is using internal conjunction. Internal conjunction is conjunction that used to link clause, phrase, or word to arrange a sentence. The examples are for, and, but, or, so, after, before, when, while, if, otherwise, and etc. Next, the fifth one is causal conjunction. Causal conjunction is used in explaining a reason and why. The examples are although, because, due to, so, consequently, in case, in order, and etc. And next, the last one is using simple present tense. Sure, the analytical exposition text use it because analytical exposition text is used to state an event or opinion that being reality and habit. And when we want to state it, we should use simple present tense. Okay, next, we move to the next slide. Here, we have the generic structure of analytical exposition text. We can look that here, the text has three generic structures. They are thesis, argument, and conclusion. So, what are third of them? We will discuss them one by one. Well, we start from thesis. Here, thesis includes writer's opinion about a topic. And yeah, it's true. And usually, the opinions are according to writer's point of view. Next is argument. Here, argument includes another opinion that support the writer's opinion or idea. The number of arguments may vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. The last is conclusion. Here, conclusion is used to restate the writer's point of view to strengthen the thesis. We can use the following phrase to make conclusion. From the fact above, I personally believe, therefore my conclusion is, in conclusion, and etc. Alright, to increase your knowledge about analytical exposition text, I serve the example of it. Let me read it to you and listen to me. Cars should be banned in the city. Cars should be banned in the city. As well as all know, cars create pollution and cause a lot of road deaths and other accidents. Firstly, cars, as well as we all know, contribute the most of the pollution in the world. Cars emit a deadly gas that causes illness such as bronchitis, lung cancer, and triggers of asthma. Some of these illnesses are so bad that people can die from them. Secondly, the city is very busy. Pedestrians wander everywhere and cars commonly hit pedestrians in the city, which causes them to die. Cars today are roads' biggest killers. Thirdly, cars are very noisy. If you live in the city, you may find it hard to sleep at night or concentrate on your homework and especially talk to someone. In the conclusion, cars should be banned from the city for the reasons listed. Then, can you determine what is the writer's point of view? It is clear that the writer's point of view is cars should be banned from the city. And how about the generic structure? Can you determine them? Yep, the thesis is on the first paragraph because it includes writer's opinion about the topic. The argument is on the second paragraph until the fourth paragraph because they state about arguments that support writer's opinion. And the last, the conclusion, is on the last paragraph because it restates the writer's point of view to strengthen the thesis. Moreover, there is words in the conclusion, so we can know that it is the conclusion, right? Okay guys, our materials are finished. Do you get the point? Is there any question? If you have, please type it on comment column. Okay, thank you for watching audience. I'm so happy that you can watch my video until the end. I hope my video brings some benefits to us. and I'm so sorry if there are any mistakes in this video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.